What are you doing over there?
Look at that, we'll check and see if everything's still working. Put these changes.
Hey.
What's up, buddy? Are we live? You can edit this. What do you want me to say? I don't know what he just like sneaks up on you, just like bam.
It's a beautiful morning on a beautiful day in a beautiful place.
Please, please.
Look at that out there. See that? Today we're gonna be killing limits. It's probably gonna be our last main hunt, so we're hoping for a good one today. Got some real shooters today. Morning, boys. It's another day, another dollar, another duck hunt, and I got the privilege to be out here this morning on a morning hunt on a decent resi. So all four of us, I got Jake, Travis, me, and Thomas behind the camera, and we're ready to roll today. Like I'm honestly, I'm super pumped. Wind's kind of out of the west right now, which is actually not a bad thing for this spot. I've hunted this before. In fact, this is the blind that me and Thomas shot that banded pintail. If you guys haven't seen that, check that out right here. It's kind of a calm wind. It's not too much. We got a little out of the west. We're putting out about, I think about 60, 70 decoys. We got ripplers, we got spinner wings, and we got pulsators. So we got a super good variety movement. Even if the wind calms down, no big deal. Hold on. So here he is. I took 3 out of your guys' comments on the last video of what we should name this lucky decoy, because it has been pretty lucky. And I'm gonna have you guys vote up here. Big Red, Leroy, or Rusty. So vote right here. You guys tell me what I want it to be. Those are my 3 favorite out of your guys' comments on the last video. Let's hope he is lucky again today. Let's get some birds. Right there. That's a pintail. Big pintail. Sit. Mark. Rocky. That was a Drake pintail. It fell before that grass.
Right at you.
Drake. Nice shot, dude.
Yes. Right here.
2 pintails already. Sweet. 2 pintails down, baby.
Yes.
Let's go.
Wow. Nice shot, dude.
We can't even chest bump right now. Come on, Jake.
I guess you release. Yeah. Good boy.
Over there.
Look at that beautiful blue on that bill. I love that.
Good boy.
This one's not good.
He's stoned.
Come on, we're alright.
We're fine, dude. We just got 2 Drake pintails.
Come on, brother.
Holy cow. Can I have that? Dude.
Nice one.
Holy mackerel, dude.
Nice job,
Oh
Thomas.
my goodness.
Was there a band on yours?
I like that thing.
That is unreal.
Mine's still alive.
Pretty stud bird, actually. Yeah, he wasn't dead. I shot him on the water, didn't do squat. And then so Rocky went, and the thing started running around. Rocky chased it down and dove his head under the water and got it. Dude, something's wrong with your guys. Look at. Shoot him. Jake, shoot him. Oh, that's a Wigeon. That felt good. It's a nice step, Drake too. Huh? Wish, good shot. Wish. Here, Bubba. Yep. Good boy. Please. Dipper. Back. Good boy, Rocky. Good boy. Good boy, Rocky. Yeehaw! What do you feel about that, Jake?
Awesome. I'm ready. Let's go.
Beautiful Drake.
That's a heavy bird.
Show it. Let's see it. Wow. Rocky! Oh no. Man, dude, I gotta go farther from those dumb things. Rocky! Good boy. Good boy, Lee. So we got a Drake Buffy, a Drake Wigeon, a hen Wigeon, a Drake Shoveler, and 2 stud Drake Pintails. Sit. Rocky. Good boy. They're close. I shouldn't have even shot. Here. I shouldn't have even shot.
Why?
Because me and Jake shot at the same time, the same bird.
I shot at the one Palmer shot at.
Left. Oh, you didn't shoot at the left one?
No, I shot at the right.
Those are right in the kisser, boys.
That's awesome. Yeah.
That was cool. Right there, Travis. Right there. Sit. Nice.
We've been behind him, dude. Every time.
Do you need to shoot him again, or is he good?
He's gone.
Rocky. Dude. Leaf. Good boy.
The green one? That is a stud.
Right here, don't move, don't move. Don't move. Sit. Sit. Rocky.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Oh, yes.
That was pretty.
Thanks.
Broke rank.
He broke perfectly right.
Good job.
Jake, don't move.
Yeah.
See? Oh my goodness, look at that thing.
Beautiful bird, dude.
Dude.
Beautiful bird.
Holy cow. Come here, brother. Come on inside. Oh, Rocky.
Beautiful. Jake, you want
Thanks for not moving. Jake didn't budge. I go, don't move. Jake's turn. Dang, he's still. Where'd he go? Sit.
Lead him. Oh, you hit him. You hit him.
Mark.
He's going down. Got him.
Mark.
There you go, son.
Rocky.
Son. Wow.
Nice.
Nice shot. Yeah.
Cleaned it up on that third one. 4 Drake Pintails, boys.
I was looking for like a
That was awesome.
big bird.
It's a
Awesome,
stud.
baby.
Big old pin on him.
Love it.
Oh, we all got 4, got our Pintails.
Awesome.
It did? No way it did. Leave. Oh man, dude. No, it's in there. It's on there. Dude, it's a stud.
It's broken, but
No, it's alright.
this is kind of.
Look at all the shot in him. Hey, hold it up where I can let.
Oh, you just pulled it out.
You just pulled it out.
You can save
You
it.
did not.
Okay, yeah, it was.
You can save it.
Thanks. Good boy here. Good boy. Leave. That is a nice bird, actually.
You got
Get over
4
here.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to calm down. Over there. No.
Travis,
What, buddy?
check it out. He's getting a little bit of that white on his neck, ring on his neck.
Oh, yeah, he is. A slight one.
Sit. Sit. Rocky. Good boy. Oh, Rocky boy got aggressive on that one and drove the old head under. I didn't think he was going to do it for a second.
I just crushed that one too. Almost triple. I didn't even shoot. not shoot?
No, I didn't shoot.
You didn't shoot.
No. Me and you did.
I tripled. You didn't shoot.
Yeah,
Dude, I was waiting for you to shoot this
I
one.
was getting ready to shoot at this guy.
No, I waited you on this one. You aimed at it and then
shoot.
stopped.
Dude, I seen you.
Yeah, good boy.
You
Get in
had
here.
a shoveler?
No, I shot the.
You shot a
the close one
Gadwall, and then you
first.
shot a shoveler, and then you shot
I
something
shot
else.
this one right here.
You just landed it.
Did you shoot at one of the other ones?
You got 2.
How many birds did we get?
5.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, you did.
4.
Yeah, you did.
I
Thomas,
rolled the
hey,
second
everyone
bird.
I literally went to pull.
I thought everyone else was shooting.
Okay, the first one came in. I was right on
That
it.
was
You
cool.
shot it. I moved to the next one. You dropped. I'm like, are you kidding me? And then Titus had one. And I
got
went
so
to go to
excited,
him, and he
jumped
shot
out
it.
and started getting on. Oh, you are
Nice
done your
shot,
limit?
dude.
Here,
Dude. Hey, that was sick though, dude. That was awesome.
I know that shotgun was good. Man, I don't know how you didn't die. He literally backed it from you. He did. I don't care. Yeah,
That's
fine.
fine. I'm just afraid to shoot him.
Already got it. Oh no!
What?
Did it die right before that happened?
Guys, this has been crazy. We all 4 got our pintails. Thomas is just limited out. You got all Drakes, Thomas?
Yeah.
That last group, I hit that first one, went down, went to the second one, hesitated, waiting for Jake to shoot. He ended up just saying forget it, because Thomas dropped 3. There was 5 come in. We knocked 5. The 5th one that I shot went down. As he was halfway down, he took off. Hey, what's up? Now that Thomas is out of the way, maybe I can shoot.
That was lucky. But it was fun.
I got 2 left and I'll be limited.
Set.
Gotta get used to this gun.
Hey, you might need to shoot him again.
Broken
Rock.
this guy.
You got that one.
Yeah.
That's a stud too. Now we found where all the studs are at, huh?
Good boy.
Catch him up, bud. Good boy.
Good
It would make
dog.
that cold toss as if it was done.
I know. I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking about that. It's like, man, what if one of these spoons was banned?
Dude, look how stubby these birds are.
I know.
I didn't shoot ugly at all.
Dude, it's like I couldn't get used to this gun. Like when I pulled it up,
Sorry, yeah.
I was like, "Where's the bee?"
Do you want to shoot yours? Good boy, Rocky.
Good boy.
Just broke the dog out of his room.
You're gonna have to kill him.
There you go. Get him, get him, Epic fail.
We'll leave that out of the video.
Oh my god. I had it right there. I'm like, yes, yes.
I should have backed him up, I guess.
Dude, you got the best gun in your hands right there. Thing's on fire right now.
Because he only had
Why
2
didn't you
birds.
shoot?
He had only 2 birds, and I didn't want to seem like I was greedy. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna, he's got this bird. He's got it dead to rights. It's right there. 20,
Yeah.
20 yards? What, 15 yards?
I don't know about 15.
Was this in the video now?
Yo, this is definitely in the
There's
video.
your pin.
Even Rocky's upset.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Well, I should have had him.
He's mad.
Man.
Man, I'm glad Barney ain't here right now. Oh, my goodness. That would be bad. That would be really bad.
Boom.
Hold that camera up. Let me shoot it.
And he just kept going. I could throw it up, you wouldn't hit it.
Let's try it.
Sorry. Rock.
What happened there?
I missed.
That's how I like to shoot. One shot, knock.
Oh, I thought Titus missed.
I let Jake shoot twice and I shot and missed.
You like how he says he lets you do things?
Dude.
Because he was already mad at me because he didn't shoot those 2 that went over us.
Yeah, I know. I heard him. Why'd you tell me not to? What were they?
Gadwalls.
Oh.
Good boy, Rocky.
Like
How close were they?
right
The
there.
same as that one.
Dude, if they're that close, don't even ask, dude.
No, he hit me.
Rocky! That was a good shot. Connected with that one. That one.
Nice shot.
Good shot.
See if he'll land. Oh. Cool. Oh, dude, shoot that pintail. Nice shot. Dude, you almost shot that pintail. That's why I waited. I still shot behind him. What you got? Bird number 6. I hesitated on the first one because that stinking pintail literally flew right in front of him. But bird number 6. Rocky. Titus needs 1. Jake needs 4. 4. Jake needs 4. Travis needs 1.
One more, hopefully.
That one's not. That back one's the Drake. The back one's the Drake. Nice shot. I'll get Rocky for that one. Nice shot, Jake. Dead bird. Back. Dude, he's not. He's at 199. Next tree will be a 200. Click. Rocky. Did you hear my click? Huh. I didn't have a cotton picking shell.
Nice. Good job, Rocky.
Good boy. I didn't have a stinking shell in it. Shot, dude.
Last 2 shots made me feel a little better.
No, that was a good shot. You smoked him. Did the cameraman quit? Leave. Good boy.
I was working my tail off.
Well, congratulations to Stud Muffin McGee. That was his 200th retrieve of the season. Good job. Last year he had 123 on his first year. He had 123 with the junior hunt, and we still got 2 or 3 weeks left. I'm glad Jake hit that one. Good job, Jake.
Feel a little better.
A little redemption.
Yeah, I missed some easy ones today.
Yeah, we all did. All right, let's keep going. We're getting close to our 4-man limit. Come here, big dog. You're going back. Back one's a nice shot.
Travis.
Sit.
There you go.
Rocky. That's a good shot, Jake. Or Travis. Great shot. Good boy. Good boy, Lee.
Nice shot, son. Hey, nice trick, Wigeon, dude. Ah.
Thanks. That's a nice bird. He's still kind of young. Dude, he don't hardly have no rust on his belly. Nice bird. Here's to you guys. Oh. Thingy in there.
Just, it's a pintail.
We got 26 birds, almost 4 limits. Big birds. This is probably the best refuge hunt as far as big birds goes. I had a really good hunt with Jake and his boys. We limited out and stuff, 4 limits, but the fact that these are all pintails, Wigeon, Gadwall, Shovelers. And I think we have 1 teal, so I'll show you guys the pile here in a second. We're gonna stack them up. Well, boys, here's the pile. I'm truly gonna say this is probably the best refuge hunt of the 1920 season as far as just big birds quality. Thomas has got an all Drake limit, got a bunch of Wigeon, stud Gaddies, some stud Wigeon, and we all got our Drake pintail. I know you guys are loving this right here. Little Drake Buffy too. I'll mix in. Look at this bird. Great looking birds, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty happy Rocky hit over his 200, and I think he can end up with 201 today. Great hunt. Super fun. We literally could have shot Or limit of pintail, I'm not joking. It's too bad the pintail limit's won, but anyways, gonna get off, get cleaned up so someone else can come in and enjoy the hunt. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.